I'll keep the water bucket underneath, take my filter wrench, bring it up, grab it loose, two hands spinning, one at the bottom to support. It shows our inside of our filter. Take it, we'll dump it out. Set it down. Pull the filter out. And this has directions on which side goes up and not which side goes down. But as long as you know you have your sticker that goes up, we know that this has to seat up on the filter. So we'll slide it in. Make sure it fully seats at the bottom. Two hands, put it back up. Backwards thread it till we feel it slide into place. Slowly slide it in, screw it up. Get it can tight. Then bring out your filter wrench and get it wrench tight.